15 equal to... so we have a lot of lever over here. So we need to see whether our professor smart or not. So professor, are you ready? Yeah, professor ready. And we get the first number 2. Not bad, not bad. The last number 12 plus 15 equals to last number 7. Yes, very, very smart, our professor, right? So a lot of believers, thank you so much for giving our professor. But I forgot to tell you guys, our professor is professor in math, so it's not fair, right? Tak ada kan? So can we change the number from we're going to do from math to spelling. We're going to spell something for today. Now, we have 3 pictures over here. You can vote this picture. Who wants Professor Baba to spell cross? Oh, no one. Okay, who wants Professor Baba to spell zebra? Oh, a lot. Okay, we will do a competition between these two. The last one, tiger. I think zebra will win, right? So we're going to spell zebra. So over here, the game is similar to just now, but our Professor Baba will spell for us. Now we don't have zebra over here, but if you wish to see zebra, you can always go to our Tangunlos work to see our zebra over there. So here, our ranger we put the alphabet in non-particular again to test our Professor Baba. So our Professor Baba here already know what is this going to spell for us. Now, who believes our Professor Baba can spell zebra? Not bad, not bad. A lot of believers. So our Professor Baba already see the picture and go for the Z. Z. Some more? I want to see some more. Now, who think Professor Baba cannot spell tiger? Impossible. Oh, all believe. Okay. We will see. Z, P. Yes, some more. R. Two more before we prove our Professor Baba so smart. What you do? A and the last alphabet. Z, A, B, R. A, last one. Let's see. When we have beautiful ladies over here, we also have what do you got over here? We have lesser S. That. So this show is possible to happen because we have stars and proofs. Let's give a big clap to our head trainer over here, Mr. Luffy. Clap for Mr. Luffy. At the back we have Mr. Ferry, Mr. Dole, and Mr. Shafi. Inside the DJ room we have Ranger Arena. Be free, flying pigeons. Thank you so much for joining our show for today. Did you have fun for today? So am I. And before you go, can you raise your hand like this? Raise your hand like this and say bye-bye. Thank you so much, and we hope you have the best day ever in San Lagoon. See you soon.